Hey, good morning guys. I'm UNCC meteorologist Holden LeCroy. We are tracking a very muggy Wednesday today as we have that southwesterly flow ahead of a cold front which will be approaching this afternoon and especially into tomorrow. And with that, we do have increased rain chances through the day today and into tomorrow. And with that, we also are monitoring a cool down headed in by the end of the week and into next week. And with that, we will also be having some much drier fall-like conditions. First off, starting out with temperatures in the low 70s across the area, we are dealing with some low clouds and patchy fog across the area, especially towards the Catawba River, and that is in part due to that warmer air which is progressing into the area. Temperatures around 70 degrees for much of the area. We will lose that cloud cover and in fog by mid-morning, we will see some sun by lunchtime, which will enhance thunderstorm development by this afternoon as that front approaches. So as I mentioned, high temperatures today around 85 degrees. We do have that 60% chance of rain as that frontal boundary approaches, and it's mainly due to that southwest flow ahead of the cold front, bringing in that very moist air. So looking at the recent HRRR model run, we can see rain chances fairly low this morning and really ramping up as we head towards the afternoon. Intensity of the storms will ultimately depend on how much sunlight we see, but we are expecting thunderstorms likely starting anywhere from 4 and 5 p.m. this afternoon. Now looking at the current satellite, you can see the frontal boundary, the cold front over central Missouri and into Kansas, which will be progressing east through the day today and into tomorrow, bringing in those rain chances this afternoon as well as into tomorrow and Friday. We can also see this area of disturbance off of the North Carolina coast. Not expected to develop. It's actually supposed to interact with this front, but unfortunately it will bring some more rain to eastern North Carolina that has already been saturated from Hurricane Florence. You can also see this dominant high pressure system over the Bahamas, which is keeping that southwesterly flow ahead of the cold front, bringing in that very moist and saturated air to the Carolinas. Now, we also have Tropical Storm Kirk, which was recently upgraded. It's expected to progress east over the next several days into the Caribbean, and we will have to monitor this very closely because this time of year, this is a favorable area of development with warm water temperatures and low shear. As you remember, last year we had Hurricane Irma, which developed in the same area near Cuba, so we will have to monitor this very closely the next several days. Looking at the 7-day forecast, we have the scattered storm chances this afternoon, and the rain chances will really ramp up as we head into tomorrow. As that front approaches, rain chances will gradually diminish as we head towards the weekend, but look at this. We finally dry out and temperatures much more fall-like in the upper 70s and really getting a chance to dry out. I'm UNCC meteorologist Holden LeCroy.